Ikea. What the fuck? Gosh darn it.
You need me to hold it again?
No.
You just need more duct tape.
Oh, you know what?
What was it they used to use duct tape to repair?
World War II planes.
Yes. So it'll work on Ikea.
Ikea, your engineering sucks balls.
What are you doing?
I'm just going to make...
A pretty line?
No, I'm going to make, like, I'm going to duct tape across here, too, and then I'm going to reinforce the joint, and then that'll at least give, like, a barrier. I need more duct tape because I'm almost out. But, motherfucker! Fuck me!
What you doing? I think that's good.
Well, I think if I do one more strip of duct tape across here and then reinforce here, then it'll at least hold up the board that I'm going to put. You know what I mean?
The plywood?
Yeah.
Okay. Ta-da! It's magic.
No, it's not magic.
What do you mean?
That needs more reinforcement. Oh, you know what I have? You have to believe we are magic. No one can stand in our way. You have to believe we are magic. Electrical tape.